In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Calendar into your Wix website. This guide will walk you through using managedwix.com and editor.wix.com to enhance your site's functionality quickly. Let's get started and make sure to follow each step closely to achieve the best results. To begin this process, you'll first need to navigate to manage.wix.com. Once you are on the Wix dashboard, this is your central hub for managing everything related to your site. It's where you can take control of various aspects of your website, such as settings, themes, apps, and more. The dashboard is designed to be intuitive, so even if you are new to Wix, you'll find it clear and easy to use. With our dashboard up and running, the next step is to access the editor. Click on the option for Setup within the dashboard. This action will direct you to the editor.wix.com interface where you can add and modify elements on your web page. Once here, we are going to focus on enriching your site with new functionalities. Now, look for the option labeled Add Elements on your site's toolbar. Click this to reveal a wide array of features you might want to incorporate into your web page. The Add Elements menu is filled with various options ranging from text boxes to interactive widgets and everything in between. The interface will guide you through the possibilities, making it relatively straightforward to choose what best suits your needs. Once you have accessed the Add Elements option, the next move is to scroll through the widgets and select Google Calendar. This is very straightforward. Click and drag the Google Calendar element onto the desired section of your web page. This action is as simple as it sounds. Just click on the element and drag it over to the place where you want the calendar to appear. Remember, you can always adjust its positioning later, so focus first on getting it onto your page. With the Google Calendar now placed on your page, it's important to finalize your changes. Turn your attention to the upper right-hand side of your editor, and you'll find an option to save. Click on Save to ensure that all your recent modifications, including the addition of the Google Calendar, are recorded. This step is crucial as it locks in all the hard work you have put into enhancing your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added Google Calendar to your Wix website. Remember, these enhancements aren't just about making your site look good, they improve interactivity and user engagement. By regularly exploring and updating with new elements, you can keep your site fresh and functional. Implement these steps and take your website to the next level. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for even more tips on optimizing your online presence with Wix.